In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Windows Copilot and fix the issue where the Copilot option is missing. Let's start with a quick overview of what we're trying to accomplish. Windows Copilot is an AI assistant built into newer versions of Windows. It usually appears on your taskbar, and you can open it to ask questions, get help with settings, and more. But sometimes, even if your system is up to date, the Copilot button doesn't show up at all. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the key checks and settings you need to go through so you can get that Copilot option to appear and work properly. First, make sure your Windows is actually on a supported version. Copilot is gradually rolling out, so it won't appear on very old builds. Open your Start menu, type Settings, and open the app. Go to System, then scroll down and click About. Here, look at your Windows edition and version. You'll typically need a recent feature update of Windows 11 for Copilot to be available. If you're on an older version, don't worry, we'll fix that next. Now, still in Settings, go back to the main menu and click on Windows Update. Make sure that Get the latest updates as soon as they're available is turned on if you see that option. Then click Check for Updates and install everything that's offered, especially feature updates or cumulative updates. This might take a while and could require a restart, but it's essential. After your PC reboots, check the taskbar to see if the Copilot icon has appeared. If Copilot is still missing, let's verify your taskbar settings. Right-click on any empty space on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings, or open Settings and go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Look for a section related to Copilot. On some systems, this might be labeled as Copilot or Windows Copilot. Make sure that toggle is turned on. If it was off, enabling it should immediately show the Copilot button on your taskbar. If you don't see any Copilot option in the taskbar settings at all, it may not yet be rolled out in your region or for your specific device. In that case, double-check that you're using a standard, up-to-date edition of Windows, and that any organization or school policies aren't restricting new features. Once the Copilot button appears, click it to open the panel and confirm it launches correctly. From here, you're ready to start using Windows Copilot to assist with your everyday tasks.